Palabras importantes para viajar a América Latina. Spanish for important words for your trip to Latin America. Hola amigos, and welcome to another beautiful day here in Latin America. Welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a trip to Spanish-speaking country, you're in the right place. Today we're going to learn some essential Spanish phrases that will help make your travels smoother and more enjoyable here to Latin America. Whether you're going to Spain, Mexico, or any other Spanish-speaking destination, these phrases will come in handy. Stick around until the end just in case you're in an emergency to learn some useful words to get you to a safe place. Also, when my wife and I moved to Latin America, we didn't know any Spanish, so a lot of these things are because we needed them. We were stuck in the middle of nowhere and we just needed some basic Spanish phrases. So, are you ready to learn? Vamos! First things first, let's get started with some basic greetings and polite expressions. Being able to greet people and say thank you can go a long way. The first one, very simple, hola. Hola means hello. It's simple, essential, and this hola works any time of the day. Number two, buenos dias. Good morning. Use this until noon. Very simple, very easy, but afternoon, you're going to want to use my third tip, buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Use this from noon until evening, and then at evening say buenas noches. Good evening or good night. Number five, very important as well. In English, we say please. In Spanish, you say por favor. Por favor is always a great thing to say when you want to be polite. The next one, gracias. Thank you. You'll need this very, very often as we thank people for their help, and it's a simple one to learn, and it can show a lot by just saying gracias. De nada. You're welcome. This is a simple one to say as well. It kind of goes with gracias, but you're welcome, de nada, also very important. Next up, let's talk about some phrases that will help you navigate around town. Whether you're asking for directions or looking for a specific place, these phrases are must-know phrases. Number one, ¿dónde está? Where is? For example, ¿dónde está el baño? Or ¿dónde está la cerveza? Where is the bathroom? Where is the beer? Number two, ¿cómo llego a? How do I get to? ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? Means how do I get to the train station? Number three, estoy perdido. I'm lost. Estoy perdido can help you to find your way and just say to somebody else who doesn't know English that you're lost and maybe they can point you in the right direction. Number four, ¿puede ayudarme? Can you help me? ¿Puede ayudarme? Number five, quisiera ir a. Quisiera ir a, I would like to go to, in a nice, polite way. Now, let's move on to some useful phrases for dining out. I love food, you know that from this channel, and I think these are going to help you. Knowing how to order food and drinks will definitely enhance your travel experience for sure. First, la cuenta por favor. We've talked about por favor, but now add la cuenta. This means the check, please. La cuenta, por favor. The check, please. Number two, quisiera. I would like. I used this previously. It's very easy to say. Quisiera, I would like. For example, quisiera una cerveza means I would like a beer. Number three, ¿qué me recomienda? What do you recommend? ¿Qué me recomienda? What do you recommend? Number four, ¿tienen opciones vegetarianas? That's a hard one. Vegetarianas. ¿Tienen opciones? You could just say that. ¿Tienen opciones? Do you have options? ¿Tienen opciones vegetarianas? Do you have vegetarian options? Number 5, very simple. It sounds like a sin, but it's actually sin. Sin, pronounced sin. Sin means without. Sin cebolla means without onion. Sin eso, without this. And of course, shopping is a big part of traveling as well. Here are some phrases to help you get what you need. Number 1, ¿cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? 2, ¿aceptan tarjetas de crédito? Do you accept credit cards? ¿Aceptan tarjetas de crédito? Estoy buscando. I'm looking for. Number 4, ¿tienen esto en otro color o tamaño? Do you have this in another color or size? Number 5, solo estoy mirando. I'm just looking. Solo estoy mirando. Lastly, let's cover some emergency phrases. Hopefully you won't need them, but it's always good to be prepared with just a couple of basic phrases. The first one, necesito ayuda. I need help. Necesito ayuda. Number 2, llama a la policía. Call the police. Llama a la policía. Number 3, ¿dónde está el hospital más cercano? Where is the nearest hospital? ¿Dónde está el hospital más cercano? 4, me siento mal. I feel sick. I don't feel good. Me siento mal. Number 5, he perdido mi pasaporte. I've lost my passport. And there you have it, amigos. With these phrases, you'll be well equipped to handle most situations during your travels in a Spanish-speaking country. Practice them before your trip. Go back and rewatch the different phrases and watch them again and practice out loud to yourself. It sounds kind of funny, but it actually does help. Just go and practice by yourself in a room. Locals will definitely appreciate your effort to speak their language. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Safe travels and happy adventures. Hasta luego and ciao pescado.